Today, I'll show you how to make quite a lot of money while you're sleeping. It's a way that doesn't require any professional knowledge. So please watch it until the end and make a judgment. It's a video of what's written on the blog. If you find it difficult to explain the video, I recommend you to look at the blog post in the comments. It's a method of developing a Chrome extension program using AI. It's okay if you don't know anything. AI makes everything for me. What is the Chrome extension program? Install additional features that users want to enable convenient and smart web access. It refers to an additional installation program that makes it available. After that, access the chatbot site. ChatGPT is an interactive artificial intelligence developed by OpenAI, a language model designed to answer conversation questions with users. There are so many ways to make money. With ChatGPT and I will introduce. Each one has a file name written on it. There's a code written on it. After executing the Visual Studio Code, put a name and code for each file. Then type Chrome extensions in the Chrome address bar. Click Developer Mode to turn it on and click Load Uncompressed Extensions. And you can upload the folder you created earlier. There's no way to make money with Chrome extensions. 1. Attaching advertisements to pop-up windows. How to distribute free of charge for a specific period of time and then convert to paid. There is a way to receive a donation after free distribution. I uploaded how to add a payment system on the comment blog. Please keep that in mind. If it was helpful, please subscribe and like. Thank you.